Hi, hola, ¿cómo estás? It's Mrs. Weintraub. Today, we are going to be creating sugar skulls for Dia de los Muertos. So I want to share with you first a Day of the Dead Barbie doll that I collect. And on the back, you can see she's all dressed. Her face is all as a sugar skull. And we also honor a very famous Mexican artist, Frida Kahlo. Okay, and again, I have a Barbie doll for her too. Mattel has put out both. Today, we are going to learn how to use the sugar to create sugar skulls. You will need a pencil with an eraser, some markers, some crayons, anything you have at home to color in with, and you will need a black marker or crayon to outline your sugar skull. Are you ready? Because I am. Here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is always put your name on your paper to show that you're the artist and the owner of the work. So I'm going to put Mrs. Weintraub on my paper. Next, we are going to begin our sugar skulls. So we are going to start creating our sugar skull by drawing a large C on our paper. And I made that sideways. Afterwards, I'm going to draw two little C's on the side. One C is going in a regular C, the other C goes backwards. After that, I'm going to draw a little line underneath the C's, the little C's, and connect them with a smiley. So here we go. I draw the little line. On both sides, I draw a little line. And then I'm going to connect it with a smile. So it is starting to look like a skull. Next, I'm going to draw a smile on the bottom. After the smile, I'm going to give it some ovals for the teeth. So watch how I do that. I'm going to start on top of my smile line, go through it, and bring it back around to the top. And remember, everybody's will look different. We're all unique artists. We all create things differently. After that, I am going to draw hearts for our eyes on our cavera. You at home can use any shape you would like. You can use squares, you can use triangles, diamonds, ovals, rectangles. It is up to you. You be the creative artist. Afterwards, I'm going to draw another heart, but this time I'm going to draw it for the outline of the nose, and it will be upside down. So far I am making the outline of my sugar skull. You at home will be using a pencil right now. I'm using my board and my marker so you can see on our video today. After that, I'm going to give it designs around. I'm going to go over it with different colors, flowers, hearts, rainbows. However, I would love to design my Calvetta head for my sugar skull. So if you notice, when we make a sugar skull, the eyes on the sugar skull always look like a flower. So in order to do that, I am going to make petals around the hearts. And I will make sure to put dots in it as well in those petals. So as I'm doing this, I am putting the dots in each part of the petal. Remember, because it is a sugar skull, we aren't going to really make eyeballs inside the eye sockets. I want you to be creative with it. You can put flowers inside. You can put rainbows. So right now I'm going to make room in it with lines to show a rainbow inside. So I'm just going to outline that rainbow. So as you can see, the rainbow are now inside the eyes, the outline. So I know when I go to use all of my colors that I am going to create a rainbow. And remember, the rainbow is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Roy G. Biv. So afterwards, you are going to then take your black marker. You are going to outline. You can add designs. So I'm going to add a little bit of hearts. I'm going to add another layer around the face and the mouth. I'm going to add some flowing organic lines all around. And then I'm going to add my color. So I can't wait to see yours. Keep on coloring, keep on being creative, and happy Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead. Have a great one.